We're matchy-matchy, girly! Yes! Besties forever! Look who's here! My crush!
Come on, man.
Wow! Guess I have a new crush, too!
You again. Move.
Huh?
Yeah, this is our spot.
You can't do that! You wanna fight? I'll give you a fight! This is not acceptable!
What the?
Weren't expecting this, huh?
I'm not scared.
What's happening?
Earthquake!
Well, I'm scared now!
Huh? Watch out!
Whoa! What are those?
Huh? Space boxes?
Wow! It's raining dollhouses!
Guess the makeover challenge is on.
Oh, I'm so gonna win this.
I wouldn't bet on it, cause I have the perfect renovation plan. You know my motto, it's paint it black. That song is literally my anthem. This is incredibly satisfying. Glitter belongs to everyone, and black glitter will make my roof look like the starry night sky.
Hey, it's almost time!
Huh? Oh, it totally slipped my mind. You really want to go, huh? Well, here's your ticket.
Yay! Thanks! Bye!
Have fun! I'll be here when you return.
It's my turn! They say one can never catch a rainbow? Well, watch me! Can't get any better than this!
Whoa!
Now watch! My dollhouse will reflect my colorful personality. Yay! But now it's time! Oh, I see. You want this, I assume. Yep, thanks. I'm out.
Didn't expect to see you here.
Let's just ride.
The chimneys fit the rest of the roof.
I'm going with a more magical vibe. Cute!
I don't think I like this ride. Rockstar energy!
Unicorn luck! Don't worry, I got you!
Hey, a little bling-bling wouldn't hurt.
That was so fun!
I know, right?
We're back!
Wow, look at these houses!
You like them?
We've been working really hard on this renovation. Mine looks much better, though.
They both look great. Yoo-hoo! You wanna play?
Sure do.
Catch!
You're really good at this. What's going on?
Looks like they became friends.
I like hanging out with you.
Same. Aw, what a romantic plot twist.
Nah, no way!
Ugh!
No more playing around. A fence will keep you separated.
I can't believe he's doing that!
I don't want to be separated. Hey, what's wrong with you?
Oh, now you can't even see my garden!
Huh? Well played.
Thanks.
I'm not talking to you anymore. No, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I don't accept your apology. I know how I can make it up to you. Look what I got.
Wow.
I knew you'd like it. Let's park it right here. I want to take it for a test ride. So cool. Hey, check out my ride. Forget her! Here's your lounge chair. And lamps to light up the night. Sorry, I'm daydreaming. Let me look. Wow, I love what you did.
Oh, hang on. I'm thinking of something. Want some refreshment in the meantime? It's strawberry lemonade, your favorite. That was good. And inspiring. I have an idea. Not a single straw will go to waste. Ta-da! Yay! So fun! A must-have for my garden.
Wow, I love seeing her so happy.
Girl, you need a cool ride too. Just don't forget to wear your helmet. Yay! So peaceful. Look at this cutie. Here's a snack for you, little one. Aw, adorable. I don't want to ever leave.
Hilarious. Hey! Hey-oh! Yoo-hoo! I got you your own home theater system! A comfy chair to watch movies, and a bed made for punk rock dreams!
I could use some sleep indeed.
What's that?
I'm dreaming of my soulmate.
Hey! Some popcorn while you watch something?
Good thinking. Oh, this scene is hilarious!
Oh, that's my favorite! Sleep, bud. It was a tiring day indeed. In the meantime, I'll make some finishing touches to the decor.
I'm tired. I want to lie down. Right. I'll get to it. Here's a cozy, comfortable, and soft bed for you. Yay! Great! Thanks! And the rest of the bedroom? Worry not. I'm on it. A chic vanity for skincare and beauty routines. And of course, your mini products. My fave is the red lippy. Classic. Plants make every room feel alive. And this will be your reading corner. Yay! I love it! But more importantly, what do you think? So amazing! So us! I'll fix my makeup. You do that, girl. And I'll get to fixing these windows. The new curtains need to fit the rest of the vibe. So, these will be perfect. Shiny, colorful, and dreamy.
Huh? What's that? Curtains? Can't believe I forgot about them. Can't fall behind on this renovation. There we go. Edgy is my middle name. One look at these and you'll know this house rocks.
Here comes the rest of the living room furniture. Each piece adds a little more personality to the space. This room is making me smile already. It feels so cheerful and full of energy. Colorful tablecloths for fun dinner parties. Bold colors. Big statements. Nothing here that won't catch your eye. It'll feel like living inside a painting. Or a fairy tale storybook. You decide. Pop Art Museum internal design achieved! Yep, approved and appreciated. I'll enjoy everything my new living room can offer. I can't stop looking at it. Who's the cutest? Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Aww.
What?
Huh? Nothing. The glittery style? Not so much. It's like a vampire library. A few horror stories belong here. Being punk doesn't mean skipping skincare. Tough on the outside, cozy on the inside. All done. Chicken burger, my favorite. Yay, so glad.
We did it! The renovations are officially complete!
This is exactly what I imagined I would do.
Same! I'm so proud of my work.
The contrast between the styles is wild, though.
Agreed! I love how unique they both are. Something's still missing.
Huh? Psst! Come on, help her! Me? How? Okay. Hey, maybe this'll fix that.
Oh, wow! For me? I wasn't expecting that. Thank you, you're so kind. This'll look perfect over here. Yep, it was made for that corner.
Glad I could help.
Whoa!
Your eyes are the most beautiful.
A dream come true. I could get used to this.
They're adorable.
They're my favorite couple.
Look.
Bye!
See you later.
Aw. Maybe we could be…
A couple too?
You read my mind.
This is my favorite seat in the world.
Right next to you. The new house is ready! It's cramped here. Move over. I don't like it. Looks like it's Hubba Bubba time. No, chocolate will save the day here. Wow! Cool! These houses are huge! Much better. Oh, yeah. We can celebrate with a treat. Huh? Wow, it's so stretchy. I think I have an idea. I'm gonna need more Hubba Bubba. Turned out great, right? Time to melt some chocolate. Let's crush it up in here and light a candle. let's take marshmallows on a stick and dip them in chocolate. Oh, this looks so delicious! I think I'll take some too. Let's try it. Oh, yeah. Alright, that's enough. Time to work on the roof. There we go, beautiful. And now let's paint the rest of it. We need a solid chocolate coating. Wow! Much better! Now let's blow a bubble. And stick it right here. Let's add a few more. Wow! That looks so cool! I hope she likes it. So, what do you think of the roofs? I totally love it. Me too. Shall we furnish the first room? What does it say? Candy shop? Awesome! Yay! Let's hang the sign here and put the fridge inside. Now let's add a shelf. And start adding different sweets. Oh yeah! Yummy! Let's also add a table. And a few more matching decor pieces. There we go! It needs to have a sweet vibe. This table will be the counter. Let's add a cash register, a basket, and interior curtains. And that's it! Done! Awesome! Wanna come in? Sure! I'll be the shopkeeper. Wow! A candy shop! Sell me some Hubba Bubba, please! Here you go. Awesome. Give me some more candy. Sure. Yummy! Give me more! Okay. Maybe you shouldn't eat so much? Man, I didn't want to resort to this. What are you doing? Oh! Yummy! That should hold her over. I'm full. Let's start decorating the garage. Let's park the car. And also add a bike. Now let's set up a shelf and put a couple of nuts and bolts on it. Let's also lay down a rug. Tasty. Let's use this Oreo cookie as a base for the plant. A couple of decorative pieces, and we're done. Hey, check out the new garage. No way! What a cool car! Let's see. Looks like there's an extra piece here. Take it. Gladly. Yummy! The ground floors are ready. Oh, you okay? I'm tired. I think I have something for you. Let's also add a rug. So soft. Let's lay a mattress with pillows on top and leave a couple of treats. Awesome! Now let's take the bubble gums. Yummy. Let's use them as a blanket. Put it back here. And also hang some curtains. Alright! Looks like the bedroom's ready. Hey, wanna check it out? Just in time. Wow, what a cute couch. And the whole room looks amazing. Yay! I'm so glad you like it! Ahem. Don't I get my own room? Sure. Let's put some chocolate pillows on your couch. Let's add a rug. And also set up an Oreo table and put something to read on it. Now let's hang a chandelier and add some decorative foil balloons. Let's set up a table, put a tablecloth on, and hang the curtains. Hey! I want chocolate too! Alright, here you go. Thank you! Wow, this place is amazing! And the couch is so comfy! Finally, now I can eat. Oh, the top floor looks a bit empty. I think I know what to do. Let's put a bathtub here and fill it with this. There we go! Perfect! Now let's set up a mirror like this. And line up different cosmetics. Let's add a chair for comfort. Now let's lay down a rug and add curtains. Beautiful! Just need to place this chair. There we go. And let's also add this plant. Let's put it right here. Aw, it turned out to be a total dream bathroom. Oh my gosh, I have to try it out right now. But first, I need a change. Okay. Wow! I'm ready for my bath. Whoa! Enjoy! Oh yeah, this is so nice. Wow, bubbles! So fun!
Oh, cool.
Excuse me, but can we fill this space with something? You're right. I'll take care of it. First, let's set up this stage here. Now let's hang some curtains. And also add this disco ball. Let's put a piano here and add a stool to it, just like that. Time for the chocolate boombox. I won't eat it. Let's play some music on it instead. Oh yeah. Let's liven this place up a bit. Now let's put a table here and add something to snack on. Let's lay down a small rug. Perfect. And finish it off with this beach chair. There we go. Now the music room is ready. Hey, are you ready for the concert? I sure am. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh yeah, sounds awesome. Time to add some fun to this house. Let's place this jar of Skittles here. Also, for maximum fun, we're gonna need a slide. Perfect! Now let's release the Skittles! Hey, look at this! Woohoo! Not bad. Whoa! What's happening? Whoa. What's that? Wow, it's a chocolate slide! Awesome! Time to use the Kinder Surprises. Let's make a pool out of them. Just like that. Wanna try it? Amazing! Phew. I think it's safe to say we're done. I love this house. This chocolate style totally suits me. Wow! I hope my house turned out great too. Are you kidding? Look at this bubblegum palace! I love it! Yeah! We are the best! Let's have some fun! Look at them have a pillow fight!
Girls, your order is here. You need to pay for it.
I've got this. Oops. I have some money. Don't worry, I'll handle it. Well, let's see what they brought us.